Hi, welcome to Learn Italian with Ale. I am Ale and today I am going to teach you the Italian alphabet. We are going to see how many letters there are in the Italian alphabet, if these letters are the same of the English alphabet. We are going to see how many vowels, how many consonants Italian people use to speak. The Italian alphabet consists of 21 letters, 5 vowels and 16 consonants, 5 vocali e 16 consonanti. Plus there are other 5 consonanti straniere, 5 foreign consonants. Here you can see all the Italian letters. In red you can see the vowels, le vocali. A, E, I, O, U. In blue you can see the consonants, le consonanti. B, C, D, F, G, H, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, Z. The green letters are the foreign consonants, le consonanti straniere. I lunga, K, W, X, Y. Now I'm gonna repeat to you all these letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I lunga, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Talking about the foreign letters, these letters are just used in foreign words, to form foreign words. For example, the letter I lunga is used in the word jolly. K is used in the word koala. W in the word Wurstel. X is at the beginning of the word xylofono. Y is used in the word yogurt. So, what do you think of the Italian alphabet? I personally like it because it speaks to me about my culture, which is not just Italian culture, but is a mix of many other cultures developed in a long history. If you have enjoyed the video, subscribe my channel and consider following me on Facebook and Instagram. See you soon in the next lesson. Ci vediamo presto!